Bye. Good afternoon. Yes.
Hello.
What's your name?
I'm John.
Ton?
Yes.
Tom? How do you spell your name? Can you spell your name?
J Y O N.
I'm sorry, I misheard. Pyon.
Yes.
Nice to meet you, Pyon.
Nice to meet you too.
Okay, I'm teacher Alms. Okay. So this afternoon, you chose kids, right? Okay, so I want you to tell me, okay, what letter is this? I'm so sorry. Okay, here. Wait for a while. I'll just type in the chat box. So our lesson 7, we will learn about letter. What letter is this?
Okay.
What letter is that? F.
F.
Oh,
Hello.
you're so cute, Kion. Okay, let's have letter F. Do you know the sound of letter F? What's the sound of letter F? Okay, that's okay. How to produce the F sound?
F.
You don't need to put your tongue out.
F. F. F.
Yeah, so that's letter F.
F.
So, yeah, you will learn also this expression. Let's play.
Let's play.
Okay. Now, let's have page 2. Page 2? Okay, you listen to the audio first.
F. F.
F.
Did you hear that?
Wow.
Wow, very good. You look like Teddy. You know Teddy? A cute Teddy. Okay, lesson number time.
F. F.
F. F. Wow.
Yes. Now let's learn words having the F sound. That's it. Okay, let's have number 1.
Fire.
Fire.
Again, fire.
Fire.
One more time. Fire. Oh. Again, fire. Are
Fire.
you in me? Okay, let's have number 2. The second word, you listen.
Frog.
Frog.
Okay, again, frog.
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 Let's have the third word.
Flower.
Flower.
Again,
Flower.
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 Next word.
This
Fish.
is the
Repeat, fish.
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 Okay. So we're done here. Let's go to letter B. You ready?
Okay.
Okay, so let's have letter B. Chant F. You listen to the audio first. It starts now.
Fire frog. Fire frog. Flower fish fire. Flower fish fire. Fire frog. Fire frog. Frog flower. Fish fire.
Okay. So let's do it. Okay. Yes, Kyun. Well, how do I call you again? Kyun. Okay. Repeat after me. Chant F.
Chant F.
Fire frog, fire frog.
Fire frog, fire frog.
Flower fish fire.
Flower fish fire.
Flower fish fire.
Flower fish fire.
Fire frog,
Fire frog.
fire frog.
Fire frog.
Frog flower,
Frog flower.
fish fire.
Fish fire.
Okay, now let's go to page 7, letter C. Say it. Okay, so I want you to listen first. Kyon, it starts now.
Let's play. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, repeat. Let's play.
Let's play.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, now I'm Teddy. You're Fun Fun.
Kitty.
Yes, I'm Teddy first. You're Fun Fun. Let's play.
Okay.
You're Fun Fun. Okay, this time you're Teddy. Now I'm Fun Fun. Okay? Yes.
Okay.
You start. You're Teddy. Try to read Teddy's. Huh? You don't like to be Teddy? Come on, you read Teddy. You say, let's play.
Let's play.
Okay. Okay, let's go to page 8.
Play.
Page 8, you listen.
Let's play.
Let's play.
Okay.
Okay.
Again, let's play.
Let's play.
Okay.
Let's play.
Now I'm Teddy. You're Tarshir. Let's play.
Let's play. Dun, dun, dun.
John. Okay, you're Teddy now, Teddy. Okay, you say Teddy.
Okay.
You're Tarshir? Tarshir says okay, you're Teddy. You say let's play.
Okay.
Okay, let's change. Okay, you are now. Where are we?
Let's play.
Oh, okay. This time, let's go to letter D. Let's do the chant. Okay? You look
Okay.
like Fun Fun.
Let's play okay.
Play okay.
Let's play okay. Let's play okay, okay, okay.
Let's play okay. Okay, let's do it again. Let's play okay.
Let's play okay.
Let's play okay.
Let's play okay.
Let's play okay, okay, okay.
Let's play okay. 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 Okay.
So many
Okay.
okays.
Okay.
Yeah, many okay. So we're done here. Do you have any questions? Questions, Kyon. Kyon, do you have questions? No questions? Do you want to go to the next page? Next page. Okay.
Excuse me.
Why?
End of lesson.
Oh, you want to go now? Oh, why? You want to go now? Okay. Bye for now. Kyon.
Thank you.
Like fun. I have fun.
Thank you.
See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.
時間間違っちゃった。